Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro, and this is the 8GB 128GB variant of the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro in the Fearless Flame. So guys, let's start unboxing. Okay, so here is the phone itself. Just keep it aside and some stickers, and then we have the case over here. Okay, so transparent case, okay, of decent quality, and then we have the important information and warranty card. Then we have the quick start guide, and then we have the adapter, which is 120-watt adapter over here. You can see, okay, and then we have the data cables. Let's see, USB type C to type C data cables. Okay, and then we have the SIM ejector tool over there. And now let's switch to the phone. So guys, this is the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro in the Fearless Flame, and okay, so guys, this is the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro, and you can see OIS written Neo OIS and AI camera, and oh, okay, feels cool. And you can see this bottom power button, volume, and on the top. Yeah, that's it. So first, let's boot up the phone. And this is it, how it's gonna look with the case. Okay, cool.